In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to leave your mailbox secure, especially if you're on a shared or public device. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook on the web. If you aren't already signed in, complete your usual sign-in process so you can see your inbox. We'll start by checking your account settings to make sure any connected email accounts are handled correctly before you sign out. Look to the top right of the Outlook window and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a panel where you can control how Outlook behaves and how your account is set up. In that panel, choose the Account section. This area is where Outlook groups key controls related to your identity and connected services. Next, go to Email Account. Here you'll see accounts that you've connected to Outlook on the web to send or receive mail. If you see the account you want to disconnect, click Manage next to it, then select Remove. Confirm if you're asked. Removing a connected account only disconnects it from Outlook's web interface. It does not delete the original email account at its provider, and it won't erase messages stored outside Outlook. This step simply ensures Outlook stops syncing that mailbox, which is helpful if you're preparing to sign out on a device you don't fully trust. With that done, it's time to sign out. Move back to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture or your initials. This opens a small menu tied to your account. From that menu, select Sign Out. Outlook will close your session and take you back to a sign-in page or a confirmation screen indicating you're no longer signed into that browser. A few quick tips to keep things secure. If you previously chose to stay signed in on this browser, make sure you see the sign-in prompt after signing out. On shared computers, it's a good idea to close all Outlook tabs in the browser window after you sign out to clear session data. If you ever use a private or incognito window, your session data is discarded when you close that window, which adds an extra layer of privacy. And remember, signing out affects only the browser you're using. If you're signed in on another device or browser, you'll need to repeat these steps there as well. That's it. You've removed any connected email you no longer want synced and safely signed out of Outlook. Thanks for watching and stay secure out there.